Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum, viewers. Welcome to our this video in which we are showing you an example of using the drop-down um, and the benefits of you making the drop-down. First of all, let's see how the drop-down is created. You go to the data, and then you go to this data validation. Yeah, this is the data validation, and here you can click on it, so you will get such a uh, dialog box, and in which whatever the options you want to include in the drop down, you can just separating each option with a comma, so that will bring or get a list within the drop down, and then you click OK. As simple as that. Okay, so that's how we have made it ready. That we have Arabic tab here, and we have set up some formulas here that actually looks up that matches whatever is the selection into the E6 to L6. I mean, this is the row number 6. Here from the E6 to L6 are different languages, columns. So if you say they are Arabic, there's Urdu, there is English. These all are exactly those values which are listed in the dropdown, right? So it is matching. It means it is matching to get the offset. Means how far is it from the Arabic, right? From here translation. So it's when the 3 is coming means take the 3 steps from here, 1, 2, and 3, right? So this will get you the English, right? So that's why the English is coming, right? And if you change this drop down value to Urdu. So the Urdu is coming. Why? Because this is based on this match function, and this match function uh, is bringing 2. The 2 means it is 2 steps from this translation. 1, and this is 2. That is Urdu, right? This is Urdu. So it is just dynamically. It shows you you are able to show the translation dynamically uh, by changing the value in the dropdown. So this way you prevent you have the advantage that the chances of data entry by the user are prevented. So so no way that a spelling mistake is done, or so there are so many advantages. So all the user is supposed to do is select the language, and you will get the translation in here. So um, the offset function is being used to get this whatever is matched, that is 5 minus 1, that makes the correct translation in here, right? If 5 is here, so it means in 4 uh, from the Arabic, from the Arabic, the 4th part, not from here, from Arabic. This is the Arabic, and from here, the 4th are the Bangla, right? So these are the 4, right? So this is the formula, and it is consistent throughout the table, and it is uh, how easily it is done without use of any coding, without use of any lookup, and so it is just using the offset, and the match is being used here. Match gets you its the exact position that where the desired translation is available, right? So this is the advantage of drop downs. This way, you get the benefit is that you say goodbye to data entry errors, and you do the hello to the efficient and accurate spreadsheet in your day-to-day work. So we have shown you how easy and we have guided you. The steps required are very simple. All you need to do is set up a drop down and write the appropriate formula, and that's it. No need of coding anything. And so that is a way of efficiently using of data validation and the Excel dropdowns. So no more errors, the data entry errors. In if you wisely, you intelligently use the dropdowns, and it improves the accuracy of your working day to day the Excel is being depended upon on so all day-to-day activities, office in the office or so. So the drop downs will the efficient use of a drop down it make the things very simplified and very easy. And imagine they're struggling to decipher the handwritten data if it is not used. If this technique is not used of drop down, then you can imagine how painful would be the deciphering of the handwritten data, right? And the frustration of the manual double checking of entries to ensure the accuracy. So plenty of benefits you have if you use the drop downs intelligently. And the risk of overlooked typos and leading to flawed calculations and incorrect reports. So that is an added advantage. So it's a game changer, no doubt. Okay, so I hope you like this presentation, and mm, I can uh, show you that uh, how we have set up the drop down is by the data. You go to the data tab and go to this data validation, and in the data validation, you can enter as many choices which you want your drop down to have, and you can add a new language as well. For example, you add a new language, say you want another language, say Arabic is already then. So, for example, you want mm, some other language. For example, you want to use German, or Deutsch, Deutsch language, or the German language. So, so what would happen when you click here? So you will see a German language level, but this will resolve into an error because it won't be able to get the match. When this comes here, so this will not work. So that's why, so you got to, what you need to do, you got to add a German column in here for Germany, German language. You click enter into here so that uh, you have you have the right number in here. Now that error is resolved. But since there's no translation there, that's why the zeros are coming. So for this, you got to bring the translation into the German column so that the translation in the in German language can be shown in here. You don't have to do any changes in here. All you need to do is add your translations, make the translations available here. For this, you can use the Google Translator, and you can get all these translated. You can select multiple cells here in a in one go and get it translated from the Google. Put it into the Arabic one and get it in translated into German. That's it. So this is how it is done. So otherwise, for the other languages, it is still working. It is showing you the right translation. I hope you enjoyed my presentation. Thank you very much for watching.